Welcome to Farming 4.0. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of pomegranate processing. Ever wondered how those delicious pomegranates turn into the refreshing juice you love? Stick around as we take you through the entire journey, from harvesting the fruit to bottling the juice. We'll explore the meticulous steps involved, including selecting the finest pomegranates, washing and disinfecting them, and the innovative machinery used to extract every drop of that nutritious juice. You'll see how advanced technology ensures the highest quality and freshness in every bottle. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let's get juicing! The pomegranates are washed using clean water and often rotary brushes to remove dirt, dust, and potential pesticides. Washing can be performed in rotating drums or on conveyor belts with water nozzles. The washed fruits may be disinfected using chlorine solutions, sodium chloride, hydrogen peroxide, or other approved substances. This disinfection reduces the microbial load on the fruit's surface. After meticulous cleaning and sanitization to remove any impurities, fresh pomegranates undergo a critical sorting process. Processing experts carefully examine each fruit, assessing size, color, and ripeness. Fruits are sorted into appropriate batches to ensure consistency and quality in every package. The largest and most vibrant fruits are selected to visually impress and meet the sophisticated tastes of customers. Following sorting, fruits are carefully packaged in durable containers such as sturdy cardboard boxes or resilient plastic nets. These packages are specially designed to protect the delicate fruits during transportation and storage in supermarkets. Each package is handled with care to maintain the freshness and attractive appearance of the pomegranates, providing consumers with an unparalleled culinary experience. After being carefully packed in suitable containers to protect them, pomegranates are transferred to controlled storage conditions, where every aspect of the environment is meticulously managed to maintain their freshness and optimal quality. Temperature, humidity, and lighting conditions are constantly monitored to ensure the fruits remain fresh and delicious. Pomegranates are placed in refrigerated warehouses or controlled atmosphere rooms, where the air is purified and cooled to slow down the natural ripening process and preserve the distinctive texture and flavor of each fruit. Under these conditions, pomegranates retain their freshness for an extended period, ensuring they reach consumers in the best possible condition. The pomegranates are cut into halves or quarters using automated cutting machines. These machines are designed to minimize seed damage. The seeds, arils, are separated from the rest of the fruit using specialized equipment. These machines apply pressure and vibrations to separate the seeds from the membranes and peel. Some processing lines use water currents to transport the extracted seeds. Pasteurized juice is poured into sterile pouches. The packaging process can be fully automated, with packaging lines that include filling the pouches and sealing them. It's important to mention that the juice is handled under strict hygiene conditions to maintain its freshness and quality. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring the bell to stay updated with new videos and to always learn something new. See you next time. Bye.